Andy. Yeah. The brown suit. Oh my word, on the ground. So guys, today I'm driving a Matric V-Wall with my 2016 Audi A3 sedan that has been modified. This person is, or this guy is attending Noorderperel in Paul High School. So I'm gonna do a POV video with our channel car. And yeah, I mean the car has been lowered. It has an aftermarket exhaust, aftermarket boot spoiler, and it looks quite nice, to be honest. So yeah, let's do this POV video. I'm gonna drive to his house. He lives in Smarty Town. For those of you guys that's from Paul will know that Smarty Town is near Groenewald. Unfortunately, since this is YouTube, I can't play music. But guess what? We have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So I bought this unit on AliExpress. I paid like $2,500. I paid $750 for installation at Soundmatch Belleville. So that's just over 3,000 rand. And I went to Audi and Audi charged me like 60 grand, guys. 60 grand to fit this in my car. Like, so I saved quite a lot of money. And also I bought these rings on AliExpress. I paid like $150 or something. By the way, guys, I never listen to radio in this car. Since I bought it, I've never listened to radio. Only music and podcasts and stuff like that. Got to say, like having these little rings, red rings, and these what you call it, seatbelt covers, it just, you know, make the interior nice to sit in. This is now a little story here while I'm driving to the house. So when I was younger, like primary school, I remember like playing Need for Speed Underground 2 and imagining like I'll choose the best car, like a 350Z or something, and I'll imagine how I'm driving a Matric V-Wall. That's how deep it was. It was like a dream when I was younger. And just open my sunroof because it's bedompig. Yeah, the people are looking at me like I'm crazy. Why are they floating, whistling? Yeah, so this is Smarty Town. The end destination is Kronenberg. Yay! Het die pad uit. Guys, hopefully you can see because the sun is very bright. Yo, the people are looking almost like I'm driving a Lambo. Hi, moet ik niet omdraaien?
Er is nog samen foto's op, maar ons gaan wijzen.
Oké, ja. Moet je... Oké, is recht. Kom maar aan. Ik noem maar niet, die denk je wat ik op mijn kop heb, nee?
Dat is een video.
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Zaria, kom.
Wat zijn
Wat
is dit? Dan is skiën is te laag.
Kijk, hoeveel is jullie?
Wat is dit?
Oké, is fijn. Was ik hem aan?
Dat is niet voor zitten.
Als we naar de lana.
Oké, je deur is nog op. Sorry guys, I have to talk English on the YouTube video. Oké, how far? Ja. Oh shit, how far is this?
Die karren ini.
Ja, maar ik ga niet omdraaien.
Your car.
Oh ja.
Your own car, you must speak English.
Ja, is mijn own car, ja.
It's good, yeah.
You say English is good. So waar telefoto's aan?
Oh, bisa oma.
Oh, bisa oma.
Ik wil er niet foto's van.
Maar nou,
Ja, nou waar? Nou, als ik bisa oma.
Oos.
Oké. So, ons rennen naar home toe?
Ja.
Oké. Dat is gewoon wel green hills in Engels. Dat is green hills.
Alleen net schoon nu wel.
Is het?
Straight.
Oh yes, another Matric V-Wall. Yo, GTI. Mobile. Oh yeah, okay.
Ay, bago ka dyan ha? Hindi ko makakari nito.
Oh. Oh yeah, no, it's fine, it's fine. Yo, I'm like, don't slam my toe. I don't wanna walk like this with this POV thing on my head. Yeah, so don't know, we just have to wait now. Hi. Yeah, that's his mother, so there's like 3 matric balls going on in one road. Oh, nice. 7.5. Just made myself a plate, what they call in Afrikaans a borkie. Oh my word. So guys, once we're done here, then we're on our way to Kronenberg. That's where the saal is. Basically the people are eating and praying, all that stuff inside. I mean, so I just have to wait now and be patient. This is the, oh my word, what's happening? Yeah, so, oh my word. Oh shit. Oh my word. Yeah, so that's the guy that's driving with me with the brown suit. Yeah.
Tú me pones ni te imaginas. Tu cara la veo en cada esquina. Mi juego eres tú quien lo domina. En pocas palabras tú me fascinas. Después que te
Sorry. Okay. Oh, je dier is ook. Maak het op. En dan gooi hem. Dat is hij. Nee, dat is goed. Oh, you have to put you in your seatbelt. Yeah.
smaak je voor zitten.
You don't want to sit in front?
I mean, smaak je achter zitten.
Oh, you don't want to sit at the back? Okay, quiet.
Bye.
Dat is hij. Bye. Ik wil nog wat is die grootste? Kronenberg is... Wat is die grootste? Zien ze niet? Nee. Let me know in the comments how many of you guys are Matric. You only one time Matric unless you don't pass, nah? Unless you drip.
Drip, yeah. Straight.
What subjects do you have again?
Geschiedenis.
History, Geo, tourism.
Yo, beroep ala met Gio.
So you can say when it's gonna rain and when it's gonna...
Ja, dat is.
Yeah.
We staan niet Gio. We staan niet Gio. Maar ga even misschien die video misschien zien. We staan niet Gio.
You don't understand Geo. Why don't you understand Geo?
Ja, maar ik het niet. Ja. Kira raak die Gio gehad. Dan Gio gewoon.
Okay. Geography, no? Geography, okay. So now you have Geo, you have history, and what's the other one?
Tourism.
Tourism. Oh. So what do you guys learn with tourism? Travel stuff. Okay. Where do we turn in now? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we are here. Yo, the yellow. Vurpa. Oh, ja, dat is jullie zijn mensen. Huh?
Kunnen koten.
Krijg je koud?
Ja, ze kunnen lekker zitten. Hey.
You nervous, man? Don't be nervous, man.
Ik ben nervous.
You're not nervous? Oh, you're getting cold.
Ja, altijd is het weer zo.
Yo, guys, I haven't been here in a long time. Kronenberg. Last time I've been here was 2017. Tell the people what you told me now, man. Why you wanna come late?
Entrance.
You wanna make an entrance?
Ja, straight.
You wanna make an entrance?
Nou, ik heb die laatste. Nee, straight. Ik waren die maar aan. Entrance, straight.
Ik like Evo's though. Evo's like altijd nice met een suit. Point is al nog niet zo kwaai gelijk. Nee.
Oud zijn.
Point is een beetje outdated. Yo. Wie is dat M3? De blue one. Dat is altijd de antis wat zo zie. Hier kom wat de fotootje. Ja, wat zijn altijd nou de antis luisteren. En dat is het wel een foto van ja, wel dan niet luisteren.
Dat is wel.
Guys, why is it always the antis that's always so on it? I think it's because they're proud, man. Because there's a lot of young people that don't make Matric. You see? Someone just said now, yes, car guy. You saw the car, the A3? Oh my word. What the hell? Yo, old school. Yeah, so Van Diesel. Yeah.
Dank je, Abi.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Was ik doen?
Lekker. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna open your door for you now when I climb out.
Die van achter zit in de kar, maar wel indruk maken.
Yeah, it's a bad guy, né? If you sit with the back.
Ja, dat wordt geil.
It makes sense if you're a girl, yeah, but when you're a man, nah. When you're a male, sitting at the back, it's a bit gay. Boxy toy. Unfortunately, I can't drive like that. They're probably thinking, hey, who's this guy? I'm just gonna open the door quickly. As I quiet, enjoy. As I guys, I think I'm gonna chill here for a few minutes. Just look at the cars. Oh, guys, that was basically our POV Matric Ball Drive, Matric Fuel. So hopefully some of the younger guys are inspired, the younger guys that's hoping to have a nice car to drive Matric balls in weddings and stuff like that. So yeah, that's gonna be our POV farewell to Matric Ball Drive with A3. Yay. Oh my word, on the ground. On the ground. Yay, yay. Why? So guys, that's gonna be today's POV video. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Give it a like, subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, my car's locked. So I'll see you guys on the next video.
Here we go. Shit, wanneer is het? Here we go.
Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time.